Welcome to Life Fact Hack channel. Think you know your Android phone inside out? Well, think again. Today, I am revealing game-changing Android features you didn't even know existed. These aren't just cool. They can actually save you time, keep you safer, and make your phone way smarter. Stick around because number 4 will blow your mind. Number 1. The split screen mode. You can use two apps at the same time. Perfect for multitaskers. Imagine watching a YouTube tutorial while taking notes or checking your email while scrolling Instagram. Here's how. Open your recent app, tap the app icon and select split screen. Choose your second app and voila. Number 2. Live transcribe. Ever needed to capture the what someone's saying but didn't have a pen? Meet Live Transcribe. This hidden Android gem converts speech into text in real time. Great for meeting lectures or even translating languages. Just go to your accessibility settings and turn it on. Android literally become your personal stenographer. Pretty cool, right? Number 3. One hand mode. Ever struggled to use your phone with one hand? Say goodbye to thumb gymnastic with one hand mode. Here is how to activate it. Go to setting, system, gestures, turn on one hand mode. Swipe down on the navigation bar and the screen shrink for easy access. Perfect for texting, browsing or just making life easier on the go. Number 4. Text selection in images. Here is a feature that feels straight out of the future. Text selection in images. Using Google Photos, you can copy text directly from pictures. Open a photo in Google Photos, tap lens icon and watch as it detects text. Highlight and copy it, no typing required. Great for saving notes, phone numbers or even quotes from the book. There's so much hidden power in your Android device. Which of these features are you most excited to try? Don't forget to share your thought in the comments and hit subscribe for even more tech hack. Let me know if you like more.